Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step process how you can easily find wallet addresses for crypto on Binance. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is go to top right to wallet and then just click here fiat and spot. When you're gonna do it, you're gonna see like WeChain, Ethereum, and what you want to do is like, do you want to deposit cryptocurrency to Binance or withdraw? If you want to deposit, click here deposit. And then right now we got to see the address. So I would go to Coinbase, look. I would go to Coinbase. Now right here, I would take the Ethereum address, copy it. I see the Ethereum here. Then I would send and receive on Coinbase, send. Let's say this send all of Bitcoin I have here to, I would paste the address. And as you can see, what we did wrong, guys. We are trying to send Bitcoin to Ethereum address, so we see the error. So we need to come here and change it to Bitcoin, copy the address here, and paste it again. And as you can see, it says on Coinbase, this is a Bitcoin address. And this is pretty much it how you do it. You can choose whatever coin you want. You can even search, right? I see Doge here, right? So, and then what you would do, you would find the recent deposit history right here. Or you can go to wallet overview and then click transaction history. And you're gonna see the transaction history here, deposit and withdrawal. So this is pretty much it how you do it. And this is how you can simply find wallet address for crypto on Binance. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'm really happy to help you. And just be careful, out there. And yeah, thank you, have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.